Hi everybody and welcome to the allotment. So we'll go and take a sit down and see what we're going to do today. We'll have some jobs to do today, so before we do, I'll tell you what me and Danny did on Thursday. Me and Danny cleared the area around the pond, as you can see. While clearing it, we found some frogs in the pond. As you can see, the pond's pretty much green, so I'm going to ask you a question and please leave us an answer in the comments. If you know how to clear this, let us know. Thank you. If you're enjoying these videos, please don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. This doesn't cost you nothing, so let's go and see what we're going to do next. Okay, this bed we are preparing to put some more plants in, but before we do that I've got to put some nutrients in. So I've got to go to the shed, get the rake and everything else, so be back soon. Okay, we've got the chicken manure, so just going to spread it round. I'll reach over and get the rake. And we'll just rake it in. Now I'll give this a good wetting. Leave it a few days, it's like dust. Leave it a few days and then we'll get the plants in. So that should do that. So we'll go and see what we can do next. So okay, we're in the greenhouse. Let's have a look what's happening here. These are our cucumbers. I've just picked one off, so I know we've got, there's a one growing there, as you can see. We'll go along. There's one growing down there, and these are our tomatoes. I'm going to have to come in here and pinch some of the things out and take some of the bottom leaves out, but they're doing okay. So alright, we'll go around and see what else is happening in the allotment. Okay, we'll give you a tour. So look at these beauties. That's where sweet corn grown. That's where lettuce grown in here. In here we've got beetroot, carrots and broccoli. In there's kale sprouts, courgettes. You've seen the tomatoes in there. There's kale in there, a bloody butterfly getting in there. I don't know how that's getting in. But well, outside tomatoes, they're not doing that good. Experiment. These are finished, and we could pick some more of them. You've seen, this is where we're working, the pond area and all that. So we'll come back down the garden. Alright, this is going to get taken out because it's old and it's finished, and that bush over there is going to get taken out, so that's going to get taken out. Come around to where all the flowers are. So they're doing well here, flowers here. Come around to here. This is starting to grow well, comfrey. We need to pick that and put it in and make some comfrey tea. We'll go into a hut now. There's going to be a light change here, so in here. Okay, in here, more tomato plants, and on the roof is the grapevine. So right, so that'll be it. But before, so next week you will see us planting these. So there's kale, cabbages, broccoli. That bed I've just cleared, this is what's going in there. So I need to give these a good watering, get them outside to harden off, and you'll see them going in next week. So I'll say thank you for watching. Don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you next week.
Down the DRD allotment, grafting in the sun, seeds in the soil and the growing's just begun. Greenhouse warm and the bed's all neat. Nothing beats fresh veg you've grown to eat. Dig it, plant it, watch it grow. Bit graft a day, harvest tomorrow. Like, subscribe before ye gan. DRD allotments,